Look at the dish I bring you today, golden crispy, full of flavor. What a wonder you have to prepare. This recipe is super easy, healthy, and with a very original touch. They liked it a lot at my house. Today we are going to prepare a dish with eggplant. We need a big one like this. If you don't have one, don't worry, it also works with zucchini. I am Viti, this is Grandma's Kitchen. Let's get started. We need a large eggplant, one of these fat ones. So we get large slices. We also remove the ends and slice it. There, I'm going all out. I want them like this, about a centimeter thick. We're also going to use flour. 2 tablespoons of flour. We put it in a little plate and spread it out a bit. We're going to coat our eggplant slices in flour. Like this, use your hand because we want them to be well coated. Then we set it aside. Next ingredient, eggs. 2 units, 2 eggs. What are we going to do with them? Well, we are going to crack them. And we are going to beat them. Container with rods as you wish. Then we will also use breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons is enough. We dip the eggplant in egg. There it is. Let it soak super well. And from here we go to the breadcrumbs. Turn and turn. Look how it sticks to the fire. Very hot oil inside the eggplant and we're going to let it cool down. 60 seconds on each side as soon as they start to turn golden. A little turn and we finish up there. The minute has passed. I have them well browned. I take them out and place them on a baking tray. I have put baking paper, parchment paper at the base because this way it neither sticks nor hardly stains the tray. And now I'm gonna use grated cheese and tomato sauce. 5 tablespoons of each, roughly 1 for each piece. We first add the tomato. Fried tomato sauce and then the cheese. Grated cheese. In my case, it's special mozzarella for melting and we're going to go to the oven at 180 degrees. 5 minutes. After the time, there you have it. Amazing, super crispy, super tasty. Well, there's nothing more to the table. Look at how great the Milanesas look. Crispy eggplant. A wonder that you will have prepared in a few minutes with few ingredients, economical and super good. Laughter. Who gives a more spectacular show with their hand? The inside has become super creamy. The eggplant has melted. The crunchy touch is wonderful and the salty touch that the cheese gives it, and also is the touch of tomato. It's a luxury. I love it. Super good. You have to prepare them. They turn out spectacular. Thanks for coming. Do you want them? I'll leave the ingredients here so you can prepare this dish at home. Also throughout the video comes the text box, and this is super good for a quick dinner. Wonderful.